In this video I will show you how to check your PC or laptop is HD or Full HD. HD refers to high definition, which means 720 pixel resolution or 1280 by 720 pixels. FHD means full high definition, which refers to a resolution of 1080 pixel, which is equal to 1920 by 1080 pixels. To check on your PC, just right-click on empty area of your desktop. Next, select Display Settings. Just scroll down and look for Display Resolution section under Scale and Layout. There, just select the drop-down. In the drop-down, recommended marked is your screen native resolution. In my case, it is 1920 by 1280 pixels. So my PC is natively Full HD. In this way we can check whether your computer support HD or Full HD. If your system shows 2560 by 1440 or 3840 by 2160, then your system is considered to have Ultra HD or 4K display, which are even higher definition than Full HD. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.